She's running. She's running. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, don't jump on me. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright,
Let's go.
No.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, girl. Let's go.
Calm your little fat self down.
Woo, she's ready. Oh, relax. Let's go, girl. Let's go.
You have to watch her toenails because they'll cut you. So I got a cut on my foot.
Poor
Right.
baby.
It's done healed now. It wasn't big.
Let's go, girl. Man, she
Alright,
was,
you gotta hurry up.
yeah, she's running. She's running. She's running. She's running. She's running. Ah, go.
She don't eat no leaves though. She throws them up.
Oh, she's pooping. She's pooping. She's
Here.
pooping. Oh, you're peeing. You're peeing.
She's watching you wash your feet. We just gotta make sure she don't eat the grass again. Hey, don't you do it. Because she'll swallow it instead of chew it up. And she'll throw up everywhere. Hey, go pee. I mean, go doo-doo. You got doo-doo?
Come on, girl. Oh, the trampoline. That's going to be good.
You gotta get the grass clean.
Yeah, because snakes be crawling up in here.
It's mainly the weeds that's small. It's not really the grass, it's the weeds. I gotta get that guy to come cut it again.
Come on, girl.
Well, dang. She's supposed to go doo-doo.
All right. Let's don't watch her
Oh,
doo-doo.
you're peeing there. That's where you doo-dooed yesterday. Just peeing on her turd.
Peeing on her, which makes it kind of moisturizing.
Ew. Still not edible.
She's still going. Trampoline! I should jump on here with my shoes. I might break it. Slide. Whoop.
Give me the other one.
Thank you.
I'm watching you. She's trying to be sneaky. That's why she's staring at me.
Yeah.
I see you.
Yeah.
You
Look
better
at
be
me.
Or breeze shoes.
I'm so high in the sky. I'm about to do a front flip. You can't
Poor big girl.
deny. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna videotape her cleaning my camera. Look at that. There.
I see you.
Oh my God, she's like laying down like a human.
She lays out with
All right, back to the jumping. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. She's dead. She's dead.
Who played dead?
Good girl.
Who wake up?
Pooh, wake up.
Who?
You don't have to play dead no more. You're so weird.
Take her back.
Just scratch it with your butt. Say it deserved what it got. Come on, girl. Come on. Can she get up here?
She's too fat. She can't. She don't remember how to do it.
Oh, she used to. That would be good, though.
Who?
Say hi. Okay.
Who?
Where are you? Okay.
Who?